So today we're introducing the new Amiga Infinity 1000 watt LED. Customers have been asking us about this one for a while, and the team at Amiga Lighting have really delivered. The new Infinity brings industry-leading 3 micromol per watt efficiency to bigger grow spaces. This 1000 watt juggernaut is optimised for 1.5 metre square areas and can cover even larger spaces of up to 1.8 metres square if you've got the height. We often get customers asking if these units will fit inside 1.2 metre grow tents. The answer to that is physically yes, but with an extremely high intensity level of 3099 micromoles per second ppf, you'll need to be very careful. Every Infinity comes with a tethered controller that regulates output settings, so if you decide to use this light in a smaller grow space, make sure that you start off at the lowest setting and work your way up. You'll get great results at 50% or 75% output, and running the diodes at a lower output will even extend the lifespan. With that said, lifespan isn't going to be an issue, as it's rated at 60,000 hours, giving you over 13 years of use on a 12-12 cycle. All in all, this is a groundbreaking grow light that's capable of producing record-breaking yields. Adding CO2 to your grow room will definitely help your plants to utilise the extra light and squeeze out even more plant growth. Hooking up a matrix controller will give you access to a list of extra features, allowing you to control 200 Amiga lighting systems from a single point. For more information, visit our website or come and see us in store.